When we achieve personal form, the very root out of which we have generated differentially is that of unbounded possibility. And the colloquial term for that always has been freedom. So that in a very odd way, art is always about freedom, but has many times been co-opted by the mind to serve ideological purposes, and quite frequently has been further retrojected into a ritual existentiality, which even further limits it. So that we have a very interesting thing. Art, by its very differential, conscious, dimensional nature, is free and does not at all inhabit very comfortably ritual or mental forms. And this is why artists are usually set aside as being the enemies of politics, the enemies of religion, the enemies of all the stable forms that one would like to have and hold and project as authorities. And the same could be said for the spiritual persons. They are not just free because they have freedom of choice, they are free because that's the first dimension that they are constituted out of. And so we have some